What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the PlayStation 4 error. The error code is CE-35406-8. It's a remote play error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here I'm just going to show you. And here we are the screen. You first go to the settings and go to the network. Simply you just go to the DNS settings and view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the DNS is not working or your server is down. That's why your remote play is not connected, and you must connect with the same Wi-Fi and the same network. And if you connect with the LAN cable, it will be good. You get the good internet on your device, on your PlayStation 4 and to the other device. So simply that's how you can. Here we go to the settings, and here we are enable. You must enable the remote play also. Sometimes you disable the remote play and you're not going to connect, and you can manually add a device. So after that you just fix this error. And if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you need any help, any query, you just leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.